All right, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any further updates and new products coming out. Now we have a brand new product that just hit the market today. I want to tell you about. I'm going to show you the demo so that you can be informed if this product is right for you and that will help you move the needle forward and drive your business forward. Just to share a little bit of income that I've made from affiliate marketing, you can see right here on this screenshot, this was just a couple months ago, we're at $439,000, and you can see the impact affiliate income, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, YouTube, software affiliate commissions. I know a thing or two about affiliate marketing, and so I put together the best bonuses possible. We're gonna talk about that in just a second. Here is the next screenshot. I just took this today, a brand new screenshot. You can see we're closing in on $500,000 from affiliate marketing just from the last few years alone. And you can see, go back over here and look at the impact over here. So the impact affiliate income was at 97,000. We come back over here and then now it's at 105,000, right? So you can actually look at the comparison for the different numbers, and we're closing in on $500,000. So that's just some, I don't say this to brag, but it's just to show you that this is possible. These products can help you. You can go out there, be an affiliate marketer. You can make money online, but you do need to put some systems in place and actually take action. The biggest problem that people have is that they buy these products and they don't take action. Nothing's going to happen and no money is going to come into your pocket unless you actually learn from these products, put them to use, and start taking major action, okay? Now, right over here, I'm going to put together, if you do decide to pick up the product that I'm going to demo today for you, I've put together some insane custom exclusive bonuses just for you for saying thank you for picking up the product via my link. And here's what a lot of people have to say. I really like your bonuses right here. We had John, how do I get your bonuses? 60-minute, 5-minute series bonus. How do I get that from you? Excellent bonuses, David. Then we have Ray from just 2 days ago. He's part of one of my communities. And he says, thanks for the review, David. And thanks for being honest, as always, about who should and shouldn't buy. And then you can see right over here that I had done a review recently, and I already have the product, but I would love to buy the bonus separately. So my bonuses are so good that if you purchase the product, I want my bonuses to be worth more than the product that you're purchasing today. If you do decide to purchase, my bonuses are worth more than what the product is. And that's what I want to create in my exclusive bonuses. I just want to provide that extreme value to you. Just to say thank you if you do decide to pick up any products from me. Also had, are your bonuses still available? Thanks. I purchased, thank you for the bonus video. I think the bonus is the only reason why I would buy. So even some products, let's just face it, are not that great, but people have been happy with their purchase because they got access to my exclusive bonus trainings, okay? And then usually a good product, worth it for your bonuses, okay? So let's get into the demo. If you do want to pick up this product, there'll be a link below and you can go check out what bonuses I'm offering for this exact product. Let's check out that demo now. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the sales page real quick, and then I'm gonna show you inside the software. So this is Quiz Videos Mastery. We're gonna be logging in just a minute. So this is from Ken Blutman, and he averages like a 4 or 5 star on Warrior Plus. So his products are always really, really good. He usually creates softwares. I believe that this is a full-blown training, and this is like a business in a box. So basically he found a niche on YouTube that is going to allow you to be able to jump into the niche. And he shows you all kinds of good examples of how to do this. And then he also will show you, he'll give away some Canva templates to get you going. He's going to validate the niche for you to show you how much money you can actually make with this niche. And the best part about this is that it's a faceless YouTube channel and it's hot for 2025. Okay, so super, super cool. You can jump into the hot quiz video niche on YouTube. Okay, so this is starting at $27. There are going to be some one-time offers. I'm not going to go over those in this exact demo. I just want to really show you what you get in for the front end, because the front end offer is super, super good. And that's why it's a little higher of a price point, because he's gone above and beyond with the training and the templates that he's providing. So you can go and take a look. He does all the research for you. And that's what you're really paying for with something like this is you're paying for Ken went out there and did all the research, found all the channels that you could mimic after, and all these over 500,000 subscribers, almost 1 million subscribers right here, multiple channels, creating simple quiz-like videos that you can create in Canva. That's what this all has to do with. Okay, so you can go take a look. And there's estimates on how much money these people actually make, these channels make per month and per year. Let's go log into log in to a quiz video mastery. So here's the home page. There's a 10-minute video of him just walking through, validating the niche, telling you all about what to expect from the program right here. And then you're going to jump right into quiz channels. He's going to go and further validate the niche, further show you what you could actually be creating, some of these different channels and so forth, how much money they make, how many videos they've created, how many subscribers they have. He's done all the work for you. He shows you how to use Social Blade to use the analytics dashboard from them to analyze channels. It tells you about how much money those channels would be making and so forth. So really, really good YouTube analytics training. And you have to understand what the power of this is. The power to be able to go in and research a niche, research a channel, and find out about and make good estimates on how much money they're actually making based on analytics and based on a real tool that does that for you for free. Then we're going to go into creating a YouTube channel. So there's all kinds of, there's so many people that and there's barriers to entry, right? Well, he takes care of all those because he teaches you everything you need to know about how to create your YouTube channel, the size of the banner picture, the size of the picture image, the logo, everything. He goes in the entire thing. So even up into this point right here, I can tell you right now, it's worth just $27, but it keeps going. Creating a quiz video. He shows you exactly how to do this using Canva right here. He's going to be using Canva Pro, but then he also makes this creating a quiz video for free Canva. So people that, again, another barrier to entry. And he's teaching you how you can do this with even free softwares. There's no excuses. A YouTube channel is, and you can go out there and create videos. So he's going to show you exactly how to do this as well. Full-blown trainings. I mean, these are 10-minute long videos, 15-minute long videos. He has done a lot of the research, and this is a great educational product to get you going. It's a business in a box. If you need some direction on what to do next or what to do in 2025 with your time, you could start one of these quiz type channels on YouTube. You don't have to be on camera or anything. Once you learn the craft and skill of creating these, the sky's the limit. You see some of those channels that have created like 800 videos and so forth. So you would have your work cut out for you for years and years and years. So there's unlimited amount of videos and quizzes that you could create. I could even give you a quick tip. You could use ChatGPT. You could use Claude AI, and you can go out there and say, to analyze this niche and give me my next 100 YouTube quiz video ideas, right? So all kinds of powerful stuff. They have creating text-based videos right here, full-blown tutorial trainings right here as well, uploading a video to YouTube. So again, all of the barriers to entry, all of those hurdles, all of those pain points that people have, like I don't know how to create a thumbnail, I don't know how to create a YouTube scramble quiz, the true and false quiz, never have I ever quiz, 3 answers quiz, the 4 answers quiz, good stuff. And then there's extras, creating intros right over here. Look at all of the video training. This guy, 20-minute video right here, using your voice, using AI voices, using music, masterclass. You can even come in here. He never leaves you hanging. Help right over here. When you have somebody right over here, a vendor that has resources on their profile and support desk right over here, legal right over here, he's covered. This is a solid product that I recommend you picking up. In order to provide more value to you, I made an exclusive bonus for you. It has exactly to do with Ken Blutman's product. This is Faceless YouTube Research and Tips. Coming from someone that's made $500,000 on YouTube with a faceless YouTube channel. So there's all these people out there that tell you that faceless YouTube and faceless marketing doesn't work. Absolutely, that is a complete lie. This absolutely works. So I put together this 15-minute training going over tips and tricks, how to find more niches. And even if you don't want to go into the quiz mastery niche, there's all kinds of other niches that are like it. What you can do to go out there and research trending niches that you could easily create faceless YouTube channels on. So this here, you get this bonus training right here just for picking up the product today. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that demo. If it's a product that you think will be useful for your education or a software tool that you think will drive your business forward and it can be useful for you, then I have exclusive bonuses for you. If you do want to pick up the product via my link below, just click that first link in the description. And it'll take you to a little page that will show you exactly what bonuses are available for this product. And if you want more updates like this and more information on new products that are hitting the make money online space and niche, then make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can get those updates. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.